Hello, my name is Elvin Mutuka. I'm the Chief Records Officer. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for leave on the new HR system. So the first thing that you do is just open your browser, any browser, whichever you're using. If you're using Explorer, open Explorer. If you're using Chrome, I'm using Avast. So you open Avast, just type in, go to the CBU website, so type in www.cbu.ac.zm. When that opens, you go to Staff. Under Staff, you'll find the HR system. So this will come up, and all you need to do is just key in your credentials, your normal CBU credentials. For me, it's elvin.mutuka, and put in your normal password that you use to check your email or log on to a CBU system. So note that you don't need to put the CBU domain. You just start by first name dot last name, and that's it. So log in. So once you log in, this is what you'll see. For those of you that have managerial rights, that are supervisors and will be able to approve for other users, the first screen that you see is this one, which will say MSS here. But for most of us that don't have managerial rights, when you log on, what you will see is it will say ESS. So ESS means employee self-service. So this is what you use when you are making any application within the system. So as you go through, you'll see your profile here. Your profile will just give you a snapshot of yourself, the information about you, Elvin Mutuka, things like that and whatnot. So you can just go through everything here just to ensure that the data that we have on you is correct. If it's not correct, just write to us and we'll be able to update. So like I mentioned, I'm showing you how to make an application for leave. So what you do is you go to leave and time. So under leave and time, you'll find these tabs. The first one is leave balance. The leave balance basically just shows you what balance you have. So you can ignore the last line that says total balance, but you focus on balance as on date. So balance as on date means the actual days that you have as of to date. So the total number of accrued days I have today is 48. Then I'm also entitled to other types of leave, like compassionate leave. I've got 12 days. Now compassionate is when I've got a bereavement or something, then I can apply for that. So I haven't applied for any, I still have 12. There's family responsibility leave, which is given at the discretion of the registrar. One needs to write to the registrar to be given this leave. So you're entitled to 7 of these per year. Then I'm also entitled to non-cumulative. I still have 10. I haven't gone on any leave this year, so I still have 10 of non-cumulative. And then there's paternity. I'm entitled for 5 for the year. I still have 5 because I haven't had a child this year. Okay, so we go back to leave and time. Then we go to leave application since we want to make an application. So the way the system is designed is that whenever you are doing a new transaction, you are going to find a button which says new. So you just don't start keying in here. If you start keying in here, they'll type, but it will not save anything. So what you need to do is once you open your leave application form, you go to new because you're making a new application. So as you do that, then you can now change and put the number of days you want to go for, the type of leave that you're applying for. So the first thing that you do is just confirm, yes, that's my number, that's my name. Then the leave type, I select down here what leave type. If I'm going on annual leave, I select annual leave. Then I pick the dates that I want to go, when I want to start. So the start date, if I'm going on the 22nd, you say 22nd. If I'm coming back on in April, I say April 4th, click that. And the system will automatically calculate the number of days I've applied for, which is 40. And that's it. So the other thing that you need to do now is just enter the address address and telephone number while I'll be on leave. So I enter my phone number 09999999. Then remarks is basically the reason why you're going on leave. So you can say annual leave plus I am tired. Plus I am tired. So when I say save, the moment I say save, I'm basically done. Once I do that, the application goes to my supervisor who will be able to see it, and that is it. So when I say save, it will ask me, are you sure you want to save without any expense? At the moment, we haven't attached expenses, but we're still working on that. When we do, you'll be able to attach the other expenses that come with annual leave. So I will not save because I'm using the live system, but otherwise, this is the procedure. You just say yes, 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 and the application will go to your supervisor or your HOD, who will be able to approve, and then it will be escalated to the next person. If you're in the school, it will start with the HOD, then from the HOD it will go to the dean, and then from the dean it will go to registrar's department. If you are in any other department, it will start with your immediate supervisor, then from your immediate supervisor it will go to the head of department and then to registrar. So basically, that is the simple procedure of how you apply for leave. So stay tuned. I will show you next on how to apply and how to approve leave that is pending for those that have managerial rights. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.